Welcome to this luxurious harbourside residence where awe-inspiring unobstructed views over Rose Bay take centre stage, showcasing the iconic Harbour Bridge, Shark Island and the Opera House. Nestled in an exclusive enclave just 100 metres from Kumbala School, this two-storey home boasts an impressive 18-metre frontage to the breathtaking harbour. For 60 years, this 5-bedroom home has embraced its stunning vistas with walls of glass that seamlessly connect the indoors to the outdoors, creating a captivating backdrop for daily life. The property features a level landscaped garden anchored by a 13-metre heated pool, ideal for family gatherings and relaxation, along with a pergola-covered terrace that bathes in northerly sunshine. Built to discerning standards, this family-friendly layout includes internal access to double garaging and offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of real estate in one of Sydney's most coveted locations. The split-level living and dining rooms overlook the harbour, while the sunny Granite Island kitchen opens to a spacious casual living area that flows effortlessly to the pool, making it perfect for both family living and entertaining. Enjoy the convenience of a short 650-metre walk to Rose Bay Beach and the vibrant shopping village, as well as easy access to local amenities like Coles Local. The grand home is perched high for privacy, protected from the elements, yet just minutes away from celebrated waterfront restaurants and sailing clubs. With features including 5 double bedrooms, ideal for a home office, elegant glass-fronted living spaces, a cocktail bar, and a wide entertainer's terrace overlooking the harbour, this residence offers breathtaking views that are gorgeous by day and magical by night. Additional highlights include a skylit casual living area, coffered ceilings, ducted air, and a large internal laundry. This luxurious harbourside home is a unique opportunity to enjoy a lifestyle of unparalleled beauty and convenience in one of Sydney's most sought-after locations.